Hey guys, today we have chapter 1, section 6, powers and radicals. I'm gonna explain what does it mean power and what does it mean radicals, or the other name of radicals is square root, but we use radicals permanently. What's the aim of powers and radical of this topic? To find and estimate square roots of numbers. For instance, finding squares of numbers. We have the first number, 7 to the second power equal. What does it mean, 7 to the second power? It's mean multiply 7 two times or second time. 7 times 7 equal 49. This is the first. Okay? And we have two definitions in this topic, and they are so crucial. A perfect square is the square of a natural number. The square root of a number is one of the two equal factors of the number. Example, consider this one example number 1, and this one example number 2. Example number 2, the request or demanding of this example, estimate the square root to the nearest whole number. For example, the radical of 30. How should I solve it? I'm going to put the radical of 30 down, and then two symbols, bigger than, less than, and then the radical of 30. Give me a perfect square root is less than 30, but it has a perfect square root. So, radical of 25. And give me another radical is bigger than the 30, and it has a perfect square root. So 36. So the radical of 25, is 5, less than. The radical of 30, less than 6. So the radical of 30 is nearest or approximate to 6 than 5. To 5 than 6. To 5 because it is nearest to 5 than 6. So it is 5. Because here we have 5 digits between radical of 30 and 25. And here 36 and 30, we have 6 digits. So 6 digits, here 5 digits. So the radical of 30 is nearest to 5. Example. Another example, I'm going to solve it now. Example number 3. Estimate every sum or difference to the nearest integer. So the radical of 34, we have a sum here, plus the radical of 35. I'm going to estimate each term alone, or particularly, I'm going to explain the radical of 30 estimate the radical of 30 alone and the radical of 35 alone. And I'm going to substitute the value of each radical in the expression. First term, the radical of 34 is bigger than, less than. Particularly, we should find each term alone. So, this is 34. So, the 34 go down. So, you will stop in this station, the radical of 25, because it has a perfect square root. And 34, go up, you will stop at 36 because it has a perfect square root. So the radical of 25 is 5, then less than. The radical of 34, we couldn't find it because it has no, so it hasn't a perfect square root. Less than the radical of 36 is 6. So the radical of 34 is nearest. So is nearest or approximate to 6 than 5. And we will find the radical of 35, particularly else, bigger than, less than, and then substitute in the expression. The radical of 35 go down, so we have 25, the radical of 25. We will stop in this station, and 35 go up is the radical of 36. So 5 less than radical of 35, less than 6, the radical of 35 nearest to 6 than 5. So we will substitute the radical of 34 is 6, that's belong to 6, plus the radical of 35 is 6, so it is equal to 12. So we found the outcome 6 plus 6, 12. So we found it. So I hope you get it well, and I hope to subscribe my channel. Bye guys. Bye.